While WhatsApp is designed with strong privacy and end to end encryption, ensuring your chats are secure, it is important to stay vigilant against potential unauthorized access. So, here is how to check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp or has unauthorized access. Simply open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Then simply go to the settings. In iPhone, there is a bottom right option available of settings, but in Android, you can tap on the three dot option available. Then go to the settings and privacy. Now, inside the settings and privacy, simply look for the link devices option available there and simply tap on the link devices. Now, check the list of active devices under the link devices. If you see any unfamiliar sessions or locations, you can simply tap on it and select logout option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.